AI Automation Series. Chapter 3. How does AI think? Have you ever asked an AI assistant like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude a question and received an answer in just a few seconds? How does AI generate those answers? Let's find out. Welcome to Surman Code Hub. This is Chapter 3 of our AI Automation series. Today, you'll discover how AI understands your questions and generates intelligent responses. Does AI really think? The simple answer is no. AI doesn't think, feel, or have emotions like humans. Instead, it analyzes patterns from the massive amount of data it has been trained on. It predicts the most relevant response based on your prompt. How AI understands your prompt. Imagine you ask, write a professional email. AI breaks your request into meaningful parts, understands the context, and generates a response based on what it learned during training. It isn't searching the internet for every question. It uses patterns and knowledge from its training. Prompt, understand, predict, generate. Real-life example. Imagine you're using an AI chatbot. A customer asks, "Where is my order?" AI understands the question, checks the available information, and creates a helpful reply within seconds. That's why AI is used in customer support, education, healthcare, and businesses around the world. AI doesn't think like humans. It recognizes patterns, understands context, and predicts the most suitable response. That's the secret behind tools like ChatGPT and many other AI assistants. In Chapter 4, we'll explore prompt engineering and learn how asking better questions gives you better AI answers. Subscribe to Surman Code Hub and continue your AI learning journey. Thank you so much for watching.